Today we're making a Dominican breakfast classic. Tres golpes. Just the creamy mango, crispy frying cheese, savory Dominican salami, tangy red onions in oil and vinegar, and of course the fried eggs. Simple ingredients, bold flavor, and pure Dominican comfort food. Let's create. Let's start with the green plantains. Peel them and cut them into chunks, okay? Because we're going to boil these babies. And boil them in salted water until they're fork tender, okay? Fork tender. And this is going to take maybe about 20-25 minutes. You just have to wash it, okay? So there are typically two mangu mistakes. Mashing cold plantains, not adding enough liquid because that equals a dry mango. You're going to thinly slice the red onions, okay? Very thin. Heat oil, just hot, okay? But not smoking hot. And then you're going to add the onions. You don't want them to burn, okay? You just want it just hot. A couple minutes later, I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar. Not a lot, just some, okay? Make sure you add some salt too, okay? Just a pinch of salt. Then what you're going to do, you're going to let them soften slightly. This acidity is going to cut through the richness and bring the whole plate together. So this is very important, okay, my friends? Very important. Typically, there are two onion mistakes. Oil is too hot, burning the onions. Skipping the salt, giving it a flat flavor. Now comes the salami. Traditionally, this is Dominican salami. So you're going to slice it and you're going to pan fry it onto golden with crispy edges, okay? So I usually start with no oil and let the salami render its own fat. Now, if the pan looks dry after a minute or so, add about half a tablespoon of oil, but only if it looks dry after a minute. If you cannot find Dominican salami, here are some good substitutes. Some of them are Spanish chorizo, Puerto Rican salami, or a mild smoked sausage. I got lucky, I have my Dominican salami. But you can substitute it, okay? And there are three common salami mistakes. Adding oil too early, cooking on very high heat, which burns the outside but it doesn't cook the inside, using Mexican chorizo, which is the wrong texture. Next is the frying cheese or queso de freír. You're going to slice it and you're going to slice it thick, okay? You're going to heat the pan over medium high heat and add maybe about a tablespoon of oil, just enough to lightly coat the pan. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay the cheese and I'm going to let it down and then I'm going to move it onto a golden cross form. And once that happens, you flip it once and cook the other side, okay? There are three things you need to watch out for the cheese. People make these three common mistakes. Using too much oil, it makes the cheese greasy. Deep frying instead of pan frying. Moving the cheese too early. And of course, you have to fry some eggs, okay? And you know how to do that already, so no need to spend too much time on this part. Once they're cooked, drain the water, but don't throw all the water away. Save some of the water because you're going to need it while it's still hot. And make sure these plantains are hot when you start mashing this baby with a fork, okay? You're going to use some of that little water, a little at a time, to continue softening them, okay? And you're going to do that through the process. And then you're going to add a few drops of oil. Once you smash them a little bit, enough, add a little bit of oil and continue smashing, okay? To plate, start with the mangu, then add the salami, the fried cheese, the eggs, and finish with those tangy onions on top of the mangu. So this is Tres Golpes, a Dominican comfort food at its finest.